Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We love our camping chairs, but it is kind of a hassle to bring them in and out of the house every time we want to enjoy the fire in the fire pit. It is time to make something a little bit permanent for out here. Let's do some research and see what's out there. That was pretty easy research. I really wanted to build April's rocking chair one, but it was way too hard. Anna White's was looking pretty easy, but I didn't really like the way they looked. And Steve Ramsey also had one that I think I can handle, but I also didn't like the way his looked. So I found this one. It looks pretty good to me, and the shopping list is mostly 2x4s. Let's go pick them up. I am back from Home Depot. We ended up going with these KD kiln dried 2x4s. I couldn't figure out how to print the free plans, so we are using my other phone. Let's unload and start making some cuts. I have all the leg pieces cut. I think one of the reasons why my builds have been so rough and not very square is I would hold this piece and start drilling pilot holes and fastening. Going to start using clamps. This is the setup I have for assembly. These were kind of awkward to fasten together, but I did kind of figure out how to clamp them, and they are very not square. I have made peace with that, and all the work I do will be pretty rough until I get a miter saw, table saw, and planer. Going to make the cuts for these front legs and assemble them. I got the front legs on there. It's still not very flat. Hopefully, once we start adding a little bit of weight, they will flatten down a little bit. The next step is to make these seat slats. Let's make some cuts. I have all the seat slats cut. We are going to use a 1/2 inch piece of plywood to get all the spacing between the slats nice and even. Let's keep assembling. They are starting to look like chairs. I'm not too sure how to cut the sides diagonally here. I've been using this for now, and if it's not long enough, I might try to use the AccuCut as a straight guide. Let's keep working. I did end up using the AccuCut to help guide the circular saw to make those diagonal cuts. Going to use a leveler to try to make sure everything is nice and flat, but the chairs are not terribly square. Let's get those installed. The armrests are looking pretty good. Surprisingly, this build has been going pretty smoothly. Besides bottoming out on a few fasteners, I haven't been struggling too much. Maybe I just jinxed myself because we still have to cut those back pieces and hope everything fits okay. All of the back pieces have been cut. I was supposed to use 1x3s, but I had scrap spare 2x2s. We're going to try to go with that. Let's finish up the assembly process. We have a chair. The plan said to fasten the back piece from here into this last 2x4, but this is how it best fit for me. My wife is going to be in charge of the painting. I still have to finish that one over there, but video number 66 done.